Here from our clean. So this is the top side of the roof. As you can see, it's so solid, this mould, and it's extremely dangerous actually to work on a roof like this because it'll just slip slide everywhere. So here we go, is the in progress video. Let me show you here. So folks, there's the end result with a finished tile clean on this section of roof, and it's now much safer for us to operate on there and clean the gutters as well. So great result for this client, I think, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.